Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the note color on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. So you can just select different colors for different notes. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the notes color in your Google Keep on your mobile phone? It's just going to show in this video. For that, you can have a lot of different type of notes like I just had a some note show, and also just going to open this. You can see there's a lot of images for notes, but I just need to customize it and label it like with the color. So you can just long press on it first, then you can just select multiple too. You have this color option or theme option on the top with icon symbol. Click on this. Now here you have this option called note color. You can just choose which color you just needed. You can see the image content or image note will highlight with the yellow color. So we're just going to change this to a color like orange. You can see it's changed to orange. The same thing, you can just change uh, like a one by one, or you can just have a multiple selection and you can just choose the color you just needed. So this is the way that you can just color the notes to make it your own connection of the notes between things. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.